Hi everyone, welcome to COED 6050, Coaching Athletes with Disability. I'm thrilled to be able to offer this course to you. My name is Dr. Brian Ryder, and I am an assistant professor of instruction at Ohio University for coaching health and physical education. This is a first time offering for this course, and again, I'm just so excited to be able to work with all of you. And I think you'll find this is a topic and a course that I'm deeply passionate about. Um, and I look forward to sharing my perspectives and learning yours as well. And I just want to start off by saying, because it's a new course, I very much value your experience and your perspectives as we progress through this summer session together. So if at any time along the way something's not working, something seems off, it's a first run at this, and let's be candid about it, and I'll be sure to make adjustments to meet everybody's needs. That being said, in terms of communication, email is certainly the best way to get a hold of me, and I will be prompt in my response back to you. At the same time, if you feel the need to pick up the phone, that's an option. And although I'm not setting aside specific times for office hours, I will etch time out whenever you need me, and we can meet over Teams or Zoom, FaceTime, whatever you feel most comfortable doing. So, that being said, I would like to share a couple components about the course before the weekly modules kind of kick in. So the course is designed and broken up into weekly modules. You could see here that our first module will be disability awareness. And I think it's very important for us as a group, prior to diving into sports specific or athlete specific physical activities in sports, we need to all have an overall understanding of disability itself, how disabilities are defined, the history of disability, laws, legislation, all the things that go into the provision of services. Um, and then we need to set for ourselves as a group kind of a philosophy of how we would like to approach disability as people, as coaches, as parents, as contributing members of society. Um, and for those reasons, that's why our first two modules will provide those opportunities for us. And and once we do have a foundational knowledge of disability and then specific disorders and impairments, we can progress into more context specific. So, sport itself, inclusive physical activity. This course will also touch upon barriers and solutions to being more inclusive. And then in the back end of our course, we're going to look at everything from Special Olympics to Paralympic sport, how those athletes are classified, the competitions in which they compete, and we want to then personalize this course on the final module for you all as coaches. We all have different aspirations. It's very important for me to connect with you on achieving your personal coaching professional goals. And I don't look at this as a one-time course offering. I look at these theories, these models, and in particular the perspective that you can bring as a coach and as a role model, and someone who can empower not only people with disabilities in the sport context setting, but open up those perspectives to greater society. So I'm thrilled again to be able to work with you all. And following this video, you can go to Module 1 for our first week's assignments. And I wish you all the best.